Hey there, giving a moment here to shout out my boy Saad for doing all my Google ads. I'm a small agency owner specializing in SEO, and whenever I need to get into some paid ads, particularly Google ads, Saad's my boy. Everything from the keyword research to researching the industry, he's always on top of it. Other things that sometimes I just don't even think about are things like server-side tracking. Not only did he set up Google Tag Manager for all the website tags needed, but since many of the websites I work on have cookie policies and we lose analytics data, he also supports with the server-side tracking that gets around all that. So you still get all the data while still respecting the privacy rights. GDPR, CCPA, all that kind of stuff. Other things he's amazing at is, building the campaign. He'll also go and build a landing page so that you're making the most from your traffic. You don't want people landing on, just your homepage or any old page of the website. Usually you don't want navigation. Things are very simplified. There's conversion points everywhere. There's forms, buttons to click, to call. Really, he's on top of it. So everything from the Google ad setup and the research to the tracking and the analytics, definitely go to Saad. He won't let you down.